Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You already know what time it is, right? The college is starting. That means we have one mission college shopping. But I'm not alone. I came here with my friend. We went college shopping, and let me tell you, it was totally fun. Like our team mission, no, this is too mehenga. Like we are college student guys. I need to be comfortable. थोड़ा तो एडजस्ट कर लो. Okay, let's see the vibe. I am the one who is super focused, budgeted, and just want to get the list done as soon as possible. And the second one, Sujata. She is the one, she takes their time, overthink every purchase, and easily distracted by food and fun. And now, Kavera. Wait, look at this cutie plushie. Doesn't this make the room feel more Videshi? Like, is this an essential item? I think so. This is our team mission. And it was totally fun, guys. It was totally fun. I didn't even imagine it takes 4 hours in the demand. I have to ship it Pune. As you all know, guys, my college is starting, and now I have to manage all my studies, my content creation journey, YouTube channel studies, and also learning a lot of things. And I hope this journey give me a lot of opportunity and success. So yeah, I don't know what gonna happen in the future, but I have to build my future. So yeah, I know you all are waiting for this vlog because today is the first day of college and I'm little bit nervous but also excited. I had to learn a lot of new things in this journey, and I yesterday shifted here with 16 hours traveling. So yeah, I'm little bit tired. I didn't even get enough sleep. And what was my college timing? Like my college timing is around 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. I have to wake up every day early in the morning. So yeah, and the morning session will be practical. And what was the saddest thing? The next month exam. Like I didn't even know the syllabus. Syllabus तो छोड़ो, subject भी पता नहीं. Now I had to study hard, and now my real struggle is started. So wish me luck, guys. Alright guys, look at this beautiful view. Now I take metro, and these are my two besties. Hi. So yeah, this is the way going to metro, and now we have to buy ticket. So this is my college campus. I know it's too big and also cool, guys, but I don't know nothing about because today is my first day in college. So yeah, let's see what happened. So this is our first day and totally introduction. Fit check, and also fit check. I didn't see fit check. Guys, today I'm wearing this hoodie, and I think I'm introvert, but they are doing really great.
No, we are totally extrovert. Plus
She's-
introvert also. But कुछ लोगों के सामने वो होता है ना pretend.
It's okay. I'm just kidding. Just bust camera.
So yeah, we finally complete our classes and now we are heading back to room. Like I was thought like it was totally chill day, but it wasn't. So yeah guys, this is all for today and see you in the another vlog. Till then, keep going and I just thought like today is the first day of college and I'm making a lot of vlog and a lot of video, but it didn't happen anything because everything was on awkwardness. So yeah, and my social phobia comes. Like yeah, I was a little bit nervous I don't know why, but public speaking. Anyway, guys, this is so yeah. Keep going and keep hard working.